Good morning, December 17th, 2024. The last day of white muzzleloader before the holiday hunt. We won't be able to hunt again until December 26th for deer. And at that point, we're risking shooting a buck. Now, because I haven't used one tag this year, and I've had such a stellar season, I probably will be out here the last 2.5 days that I can to give it a go for a deer, but only time will tell. Depends on the weather and how I'm feeling, because with working 2 jobs and hunting as hard as I have, and then almost dying last weekend, I'm going to put some thought into it before I decide to go out again. But I figured I'd give today one last shot because it's my day off of work. I haven't had anything on camera. Had snow and rain, and now it's going to be 50 degrees out today, so figured send my prayers up like I always do, and ask for something good to happen to me today. If you're out there, good luck. Happy hunting.